I think when I was trying to go into entrepreneurship and I was massively overweight and there was a lot of things I had to do, and I was always tired, I was always stressed, and I decided I need to try and lose weight, but I didn't know really how to. Look, it was more of a thing on the inside, Something on the inside was missing. I did not know what it was, and I decided, let me just go for a walk. Went for a walk, then I decided, let me go for a run, and everything just figured things out later. It was very hard at first, but I had to stop drinking alcohol. That's one of the things I had to stop doing. I had to create a clean lifestyle, not a diet. I had to live a lifestyle of clean food, and it was difficult at first, but I got used to it. I think the most challenging thing about losing weight is the consistency. Sometimes you go for about a week, you lose weight, and then you start eating that bad food again, because trying to change your eating habits and everything else does not happen overnight. So I think it was the consistency was the most thing. I think with a lot of running and eating right, I started seeing results in about a week or two. Small results, but like I said, the more consistent I started seeing results a lot faster. So I think within a month was when I'd probably lost my first 5 kgs, and then I could start seeing the difference. I think it took me about between 3 and 4 years for me to reach my current weight. I was 112 kilograms. I'm now on 78. But it took me between 3 and 4 years because there was a lot of inconsistencies. Like I said, it wasn't easy to eat healthy and so forth. But yeah, about 3 to 4 years. I've now maintained it for about a year. And I'm now trying to build some muscle. What motivates me, I think it's seeing the results. At first it was about weight loss, but now it's changed. Now I want to look good. Now I want to have muscles. Now I want to be spectacular. I want to build a great physique. So when I reach that goal, I just want more and more and more. You just get addicted to success, and the feeling of feeling good. I feel good. I'm healthier. I breathe better. I've got a lot of energy. I run my businesses. I'm happy. I'm more confident. I'm just this brand new person, and the great thing is that people will see me and they haven't seen me in years, and they're like, you're doing well. I think the most important thing, if you're trying to lose weight, find out deep down inside of you why you're trying to do it, what's the motivating factor, and then just keep on it. There must be something big that's motivating you so that you can obviously try and reach your goals. Dream Body Fitness, when I walked in here a couple of years ago, it's not, I've been to gyms before, but here there's no play, people on cell phones and whatever. Everybody's literally working hard. This is like an army base where everybody's working hard and motivating each other and, greeting each other and making sure that you're doing the things correctly. Unlike all the other gyms where you go in and you train by yourself and nobody's really helping you. You can train for 3 years or a year, but if nobody's really helping you how to do it, how to eat, how to actually do the actual, physique, then you're basically wasting time. But at Dream Body Fitness, there's always somebody there. There's like 3 or 4 people always trying to help you out at everything that you're trying to do.